1, 2, 3.
Love should be easy. Why should it not? When all you want is to be loved, is to be loved.
What's up, lovelies? It's your girl Mary Kay coming to you with a Valentine's Day slay. These are the Janet Collection Mambo Passion Twists that I did, like the 13-minute install. Yes, honey, 13-minute install. If you have not seen that video, make sure you check it out. I have found, like this palette that I'm using, I found at Walmart. I honestly didn't expect it to be as bomb as it is. It's called Mirage by Profusion Cosmetics. I forgot how much I paid for this, but it wasn't expensive. So I'm able to create so many different looks from this palette. Now, if you're single, you can still celebrate Valentine's Day, honey. Celebrate yourself, love on yourself, your friends, your family, your loved ones, your pets, nature. You know, there's a lot of love options. Okay? You can dazzle yourself up and go out yourself, honey. You don't need Valentine's Day is for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, you guys. It doesn't seem that important, but it really is. It really, really, really is. So if you fool with me and you enjoy my videos, please like, share, and subscribe, you guys. And make sure you hit that notification bell. If you have not noticed, my video volume has picked up quite a bit, and it's going to continue in that manner. Yeah, stay tuned if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful Valentine's Day look. Well, the eyes. I didn't do the whole face because I didn't want the video to be super duper long, but I did do the eyes. Bam! I'm gonna go ahead and get out y'all way because this intro has already gotten longer than I wanted it to be. Some of y'all be like, why you be talking? And other folks be like, we love when you talk. How come you don't talk? We don't be knowing what y'all want. We don't be knowing. We don't be knowing.
Against my chest, come fly with me, angel. Let our story begin. I wanna feel every little bit of your sunburned skin. I just found out I got a new desire. You're telling me I cannot get any higher, but baby, I know when my love-searching soul is on fire. So won't you come closer? You know it's alright. Won't you come closer, baby? Stay with me tonight. We're in this crazy, hazy land. Let's get away from this bar. Baby, take my hand. We don't have to walk that far to get to my home place. I wanna show you something more. Let's reach out for a place where we've never been before. Don't need to hesitate, cause it's getting late. The night is warm and sweet. We're soaking from the heat. Let's go, just you and me. We can set us free tonight. So won't you come closer? You know it's alright. Won't you come closer, baby? Stay with me tonight. So won't you come closer? You know it's alright. Won't you come closer, baby? Yeah. Stay with me and me, we can set us free tonight. So won't you come closer? You know it's alright. Won't you come closer, baby? Stay with me tonight. So won't you come closer?